Hey, are you missing those cheesy chicken burger from any of these joints? Well, you won't anymore. Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. Today we will be learning how to make cheesy chicken burger. Yes, the moist, crispy and cheese dripping chicken burger. Let us start the recipe with chicken patty. Into a grinder, add boneless chicken, and grind it into a thick paste. Add 2 green chilies, add 2 red chilies, one whole egg, chicken stock cubes, salt as per taste, and grind this into a thick paste. To this paste, add crushed peppercorns, one spoon of soya sauce, one spoon of vinegar, soaked bread. We have soaked this bread in water for about 15 minutes. Squeeze the bread to drain the excess water. Grind this into a thick paste. This should be the consistency of the ground mixture. To this mixture, now add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and mix well. Now, with the wet hand, pat this mixture into a patty using your palm and fingers. The mixture will be very wet, which means it will be a tiny bit sticky, forming it. But as we say, forge ahead. Our chicken patty is ready. Let's see how to make special burger sauce. A detailed video about this special burger sauce has been uploaded on our DIY kitchen playlist. Please do watch it at the end of this video. Now let's see how to coat the chicken patty. Coat the chicken patty in all-purpose flour or maida and then dip it in egg, and as the last coating, cover the chicken patty with breadcrumbs. Meanwhile, cut the burger bun and slightly roast the inner ends with ghee or oil. Deep fry the coated chicken patties. Let's see how to assemble the burger. Apply our special burger sauce to both slightly roasted inner ends of the burger bun. Place sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and onion rings on the base bun. Place the fried chicken patty. Apply our special burger sauce. Place a slice of cheese and close it with the top bun. Our cheesy chicken burger is ready to serve. Cheese slice will start to melt at room temperature. Enjoy this crunchy, cheese dripping burger along with Coke and your loved ones. We will be back with many such interesting and tasty recipes. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Press the red button and the bell icon for notifications. Do follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Our handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.